Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. Landscaping ideas for sustainable gardens are on the forefront of every designer's mind. So here are 5 ideas for an eco-friendly garden that will make a difference. Just quickly, if this is your first time to my channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Number 1. Permeable surface. One of the most eco-friendly things you can do in your garden is decrease rainwater runoff by using permeable surface. This is a great idea in courtyard areas to prevent erosion, especially if it's fully shaded. Number 2. Decomposed granite. This is a great landscape idea and very low maintenance, especially for weekend homes. The best way to use it is between stone pavers. And the best 3 options for decomposed granite is natural granite, stabilized decomposed granite, and resin coated decomposed granite. Number 3. Ribbon driveways. Nowadays, ribbon driveways are back in fashion. Not only because they're eco-friendly, but they're also very visually pleasing and can save a lot of money, especially on very long driveways. Number 4. Irrigation systems. Drip irrigation, micro irrigation, and trickle irrigation benefit crops and plants because they deliver water straight to the roots, therefore saving a lot of water and fertilizer. A nice DIY for your house is to install micro irrigation or a water run. It's easy and it's cheap. Number 5. Artificial grass. Traditional turf is lovely to look at, but it's a water hog. Artificial grass has come a long way since AstroTurf, and it requires no water, weeding, mowing, or fertilizing. And the best thing about artificial grass, it's always green. There you go, 5 easy ideas to remember for sustainable landscaping. A good fact to remember when designing a sustainable garden is a long-term success is accomplished through a series of short-term goals. Have an awesome day. Remember, keep it simple.